So Mary Raheem, now saga now you want enter now. The problem will make you come out for inside social media. You don't want face and now you want enter saga. You want saga mama na mama. The 1 million naira where give joy. I don't know say the thing they pay you ever since where give joy the money. I don't know. Mama na mama beg. I use this video beg you. I beg if you go fit bring out the receipts, the proof, so that Mary go fit they sleep well because that 1 million naira I don't know say they pay Mary well. So you want enter saga. Anyway, my people, before I go into this matter, make I greet you. I greet you according to your time. Wherever you are watching me for, please give me like and love. Share this video. And do not forget to follow me on my page, Linda Gist TV. Thank you so much. Please follow me on my page, my new page, Linda Gist TV family. Thank you, my people. So Mary dropped post today where be saying don't ready fully to enter saga. Your husband then in mood of celebration. You ever talk of that one? You ever talk as you arrange your marriage? May they okay now saga now you won't enter. The one way they say they pay me pass, they say tomorrow now you go see come out for inside social media start to they cry. You say you know they lie, share. But now you say use your mouth tell say you know they see anybody video apart from the one way they talk positive towards you. Apart from all those positive energy where they support you, whether you do good, you do wrong, they go support you. Say now those one they see. Those people where they drag you, you know they see there. How come you tell no say mama they drag you? How come you tell no say the woman for relationship room TV they drag you? You say I say you don't lie for them, but you say you know they lie. Mary enter house. Lord of Lemon don't enter house. Joy don't enter house. Mary enter house. Saga not be small pikin food though. Not go put body for what you not go fit carry. Now the truth I they tell you so. Go ask people where they do saga, where they drag themselves, they reach. You want follow the woman do saga? My dear, I beg you in the name of God. Enter house. Enter house. Not let anybody push you, make you go do saga. You they reply mama na mama, they call her say na fake life she they live, blah 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 blah. You think say na everybody nice they suffer. No, my dear, let me tell you, not be everybody they suffer. So person where they Canada, he has good opportunity to have a good job. Then you say they live fake life. My dear, enter house. Enter house. Say the insult where you they give the woman, you they curse her, you they tell her this. If she come and come saga you now, you go begin they cry. You go come out for social media. You call it now. Woman be you be oh. Now woman be you be oh. How many people joy don't come saga? How many people joy don't come saga? Do you know how many people or your people where they support you, where they insult joy every blessed day of our life? So they even they lay curse on joy. Do you know how many people? Where they bully joy every blessed day, just how many few people? You think you they expect may everybody just love you, made the whole world just there against joy. No, it's not possible, my dear. It's not possible. That thing where people see where they take hate, where they take dislike joy, where they say they make her the saga job. Another person go say, go use and take like I say, this thing where they do this person don't too much. Nobody be the first and nobody go be the last. I bet my dear, go and fix your home. And leave saga alone because as it just dry like this, so if you enter saga, you go dry past this one. Be like say that not allow them to push you. Not be to come out from inside your kitchen, they bring out your long tongue, come out to open your wide mouth, make you they talk, they insult people. You know why they sweet me? Say as they insult people where they support you, now so you see they insult your own people too. If they see do talk the way they not talk one, you go see come out, you go come insult them. That made the things that they too bother me, but this saga where you want carry body put so. Not also a lot of them will push you put so. If you don't start, when sleep not go they catch you for night. Where you go they turn up by that for bed, you not go see sleep, my dear. Now you can't know that time. Carry yourself enter house. Not follow person where pass you go they do saga. Not follow person where pass you go they do saga. Forget say people they say my queen. I don't know where you they queen, where they see queen, where they queen they go. Not follow person where pass you. Person where don't pass person, don't pass person. Person where don't pass person, don't pass person. Mama na mama for age, two of na not be age. For anything for life, I'm not sure. Say two of na age. I'm not sure. The saga mama na mama. Now make mama na mama the saga if you don't know so. Tell your people to stop dragging mama na mama. So that she go stop to the saga you. Okay, you say you know they watch bloggers video. How come you tell no say these people they say you see say you they lie too much. You they lie too much. You want come out, you want the fancy party. You want do saga. Joy Dosoff is choking himself for one side. They one side. Focus on whatever they do. They one side. You say no. Say that every blogger there. Now you want call the reply. You want call the saga there. Mary. They say there is a make parable say egu suru gege is the dance of the spirit. Small pikin, not go dance music where you not go fit dance finish oh. Music where you not go fit dance finish, not go dancer. This step where you dey go so, carry yourself come back for this step. Return yourself back from this step and focus on your marriage. I don't tell you, enter house. Focus on other things. Yes, you are a content creator. I know there are a lot of things you can post on your page. Leave your marriage matter alone. Only you want to drag this marriage matter. Since when my doctor say he no wants to do saga again. He no want to talk about the marriage again. Only you want, you not gonna carry matter, you not gonna carry down. Not only you want they come out, they see who told this or not told this so. You want the whole world made that they insult you. You see how they pain. You see how they pain. When your people go sit down for front of camera every blessed day, money to day break, they saga one person, they saga one person, they saga one person, they saga one person. Not be Regina Daniel be that one. How many positions there for your husband? You now conscious to something else. They saga one person. Mary enter house. Enter house, not put body for what you not go fit do. May you not go dry finish. Not put body wait for what you not go fit do. Guys, share this video when you come across this video. And I advise this Mary make it enter house.